Question 20. Histogram shows information about the time taken by a cyclist to finish a cycle race. 7 cyclists took 80 minutes or less to finish the race. Work out an estimate for the number of cyclists who took more than 95 minutes to finish the race. Right, so we've got 7 cyclists took 80 minutes. So that's 10 there. So actually that's got to be 0.7 because it's 0.7 times 10. Remember, it's the area that gives you the frequency. So let's look at the scale. That's 0.7. That must be 1. That's 2, 3, 4. Now, work out an estimate for the number of cyclists who took more than 95 minutes. Well, 95 minutes is there. So we need to work out the area of that bar and that bar. Well, that bar is 10 wide. So we've got 10 times 2.2. So 10 times 2.2 is, oh, it's not 10, is it? It's 5. Okay. Five times 2.2, which is actually 11. And then we've got 20 times 1.2, so the area of this bar here. 20 times 1.2, which is 24. So actually we've got 35 in total. Explain why your answer to part I is only an estimate. Well, it's only an estimate because we've got group data, no exact values. So grouped data. Okay, and that's the histogram question. Next, let's have a look. We've got a curve and a straight line. L intersects C at points A and B. Calculate the exact length of A and B. Right, so we need to solve these simultaneously to get a value of where they cross. So basically we've got a curve and a straight line. So we can put them equal to each other because they're both equal to y. And then we can put it equal to 0. And we've got a quadratic equation. We can solve that by the formula, completing the square, or actually this one will factorize because we need 2 numbers that multiply together to give 8, add together to give minus 6. So minus 2, minus 4. So our values are x is 2 or 4. And then we need to work out our y values to go with those. So when x is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, take away 4 is 0, or 2 times 4 is 8, take away 4 is 4. So basically it's 2, 0 and 4, 4. Now, we need to work out the exact length of AB. So what's actually happening is we've got a curve like that, we've got a straight line like that, we've got A and B, it's not, and therefore we need to work out that length, which we can do with Pythagoras. So this point here is 2, 0, this point here is 4, 4. So that length there goes from 2 to 4, so it's 2. This length here goes from 0 to 4, so it's 4. So our length, and it says exact length, is equal to Pythagoras, that squared plus that squared, square rooted. So 2 squared plus 4 squared equals square root of 20. And actually the square root of 20 is your exact value. Okay,